Stop killing your plants and start growing these 15 low-maintenance perennials that even you can't mess up. Trust me, I've tried. These perennial favorites bloom again and again, making your garden a perennial paradise. Number 1. Hostas. Hostas are the ultimate low-maintenance choice for shaded areas, boasting a diverse array of leaf shapes and colors, from emerald green to blue hues and striking variegated patterns. They grow best in moist, well-drained soil and can thrive with minimal sunlight, making them perfect for those challenging dark corners of the garden. Regular watering during dry periods and an annual application of compost will keep them looking lush. Hostas are not only durable and long-lasting, but also provide a rich textured backdrop for other flowering plants, making them indispensable for creating visually appealing low-effort gardens. Number 2. Daylilies. Daylilies are robust and virtually carefree, thriving in a wide range of climatic conditions and soil types. Known for their trumpet-shaped blooms, they offer a spectrum of colors from soft pastels to vivid hues, each flower blooming for just one day but replaced by others in succession over several weeks. Daylilies prefer full sun but can handle partial shade, where they produce fewer blooms. These plants are drought-tolerant once established and rarely suffer from pests or diseases. A simple division every few years helps to rejuvenate clumps that become too large, making them an ideal choice for both beginner and seasoned gardeners. Number 3. Coneflower. Coneflower is a stalwart perennial known for its ability to withstand harsh conditions, including drought and poor soil. The daisy-like flowers come in colors ranging from purple and pink to red and white, attracting butterflies and bees to the garden. Coneflowers bloom from early summer to fall, providing long-lasting color and interest. They require full sun to light shade and benefit from deadheading to encourage further blooming. Echinacea is also valued for its medicinal properties, particularly in boosting immune health. Minimal care, aside from occasional watering in extreme drought, makes it a favorite among garden enthusiasts. Number 4. Sedum. Sedum offers an exceptional variety of forms and colors, from creeping ground covers to upright shrubs. Their thick, succulent leaves help retain moisture, enabling these plants to excel in dry, challenging environments. Sedums flower from late summer into fall, with star-shaped blooms in shades of pink, red, yellow, and white that attract pollinators. They prefer well-drained soil and full sun, making them ideal for rock gardens, walls, and roof gardens. Extremely hardy, they need little more than occasional pruning to remove dead stems and maintain shape. Number 5. Russian Sage. Russian Sage features fine-textured silvery foliage and spires of lavender blue flowers that create a soft, misty effect in the garden from midsummer to fall. This tough plant stands up to drought, pests, and poor soil, asking for little beyond a sunny spot to thrive. Russian Sage can reach up to 5 feet tall, providing a striking vertical element in the landscape. It's ideal for creating a backdrop for shorter plants, or for blending with grasses in a naturalistic planting scheme. Minimal pruning in early spring encourages denser growth and more vigorous blooming. Number 6. Black-Eyed Susan. Black-Eyed Susan is a North American native that boasts golden yellow flowers with a dark brown center, blooming from midsummer to fall. This perennial adapts well to both dry and moist soils, thriving in full sun to light shade. It's highly appreciated for its ease of cultivation and the bright, cheerful color it adds to the garden. Regular deadheading will prolong the flowering period, although leaving some heads on the plants in fall provides food for birds and adds winter interest. Black-Eyed Susan is also excellent for cut flower arrangements, bringing the beauty of the garden indoors. Number 7. Lavender. Lavender is celebrated not only for its fragrant purple flowers, but also for its silvery green foliage, offering year-round interest. Thriving in full sun and well-drained soil, lavender is perfect for borders, herb gardens, or as a low hedge. It requires little water once established and benefits from pruning in early spring to maintain its shape and promote vigorous growth. Lavender's aromatic flowers are often harvested for use in sachets, oils, and culinary applications, making it a multi-purpose addition to the garden. Number 8. Peonies. Peonies are renowned for their large, sumptuous blooms in spring, ranging from pure white to deep red and multicolors. They prefer a sunny spot with well-drained soil but will tolerate light shade. Peonies are remarkably long-lived, often thriving for decades with little attention once established. They require support as the heavy flowers can droop, especially after rain. Peonies are relatively pest-free and make excellent cut flowers, with a fragrance that is a delightful addition to any home. Number 9. Coreopsis. Coreopsis offers a cheerful display of golden yellow, daisy-like flowers throughout the summer. This perennial is extremely adaptable, thriving in dry to medium moisture soils and full to partial sun. Coreopsis is known for its prolific blooming, especially if deadheaded regularly, which encourages more flowers. It's a popular choice for borders or as part of a wildflower garden where its bright blooms can shine. Being drought tolerant once established, it requires minimal watering and is generally free from major pest and disease problems. Coreopsis's vibrant flowers also attract butterflies, adding an extra layer of life and beauty to the garden. Number 10. Astilbe. Astilbe is a top choice for shady gardens, known for its feathery plume-like flowers in shades of white, pink, and red. Thriving in moist, well-drained soil, Astilbe is perfect for adding a splash of color to darker parts of the garden. It prefers shade to partial shade, protecting its delicate flowers and foliage from the harsh sun. While Astilbe is low maintenance, it benefits from regular watering, especially in dry conditions, to keep its leaves lush and prevent browning. Its blooms are also excellent for cutting and bring an elegant touch to floral arrangements. Number 11. Salvia. Salvia offers a diverse range of species and cultivars featuring spikes of densely packed flowers in shades of blue, purple, red, or white. This hardy perennial is particularly drought-resistant, thriving in well-drained soil and full sun. Salvia is beloved for its long blooming period from early summer to fall, attracting bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Minimal care is needed. Simply cut back the plant in late fall or early spring to promote healthy new growth and more abundant blooms. It's ideal for beds, borders, and container gardens, providing a striking vertical accent. Number 12. Catmint. Catmint is a delightful perennial with a relaxed habit and sprawling stems of lavender blue flowers that bloom from late spring into early fall. It prefers full sun or partial shade and well-drained soil, thriving on neglect once established. Catmint is especially effective in borders, rock gardens, or as a ground cover, where it forms a dense mat of aromatic gray-green foliage. The plant is also drought-tolerant and rarely bothered by pests, making it a perfect low-care addition to any garden setting. Plus, its gentle scent is highly appealing to cats. Number 13. Coral bells. Coral bells are valued primarily for their evergreen, colorful foliage, which ranges from lime green to deep burgundy, with many varieties sporting beautifully variegated patterns. These plants are versatile in their light requirements, growing well in both full sun, which enhances leaf color, and shade. Coral bells prefer moist, well-drained soil and benefit from occasional watering during dry spells. They are particularly effective in mass plantings, as ground covers, or in containers, where their dramatic foliage adds visual interest throughout the year. Number 14. Shasta Daisy. Shasta Daisy is a classic garden favorite, offering white petals around a bright yellow disc, blooming abundantly from early summer to fall. This cheerful plant is easy to grow in sunny areas with well-drained soil and tolerates some drought once established. Regular deadheading will keep the Shasta Daisy looking neat and prolong its blooming season. It's a staple in cottage gardens, but also fits beautifully in formal borders and containers. Shasta Daisies attract butterflies and make excellent cut flowers, bringing a touch of the garden's joy indoors. Number 15. Bearded Iris. Bearded Iris stands out with its elegant ruffled flowers that come in almost every color imaginable. This perennial prefers full sun and well-drained soil, making it ideal for sunny borders or floral beds. Bearded iris rhizomes should be planted shallowly, with the top exposed to the sun, allowing them to bake, which encourages blooming. After flowering, dividing the rhizomes every few years prevents overcrowding and rejuvenates the plant. Minimal care is needed beyond this, making the bearded iris a stunning, low-maintenance addition to any garden. Congratulations! You're now armed with the knowledge to transform your garden into a low-maintenance paradise bursting with color and life. But before you go, there's one more thing. Don't forget to show some love to your favorite plants by tapping that like button below. And hey, if you want to keep getting your green thumb fix and join our amazing gardening community, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We wouldn't want you to miss a single tip. Also, if you're curious about how to turn your garden into a sleep oasis, be sure to check out our next video, 7 plants that help you sleep better. Until next time, life is better when you garden.